Hi, my name is Dean Paul Deniston, and today we're replacing the fender brake on the Razor E-Prime electric scooter. This is an easy process. It should take you approximately 10 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tool: a Phillips screwdriver. This process can be completed in 4 easy steps. Step 1, disconnecting the fender brake. Step 2, removing the brake. Step 3, installing your new brake. And step 4, reconnecting the fender brake. As with working on any electric product, always make sure you turn off the power before you begin. Now let's get started on step 1, disconnecting the fender brake. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws on the back of the deck. Now flip the scooter over and remove the 6 screws securing the plate. Remove the cover by lifting from the bottom. Now remove the grommet, simply pinch and pull straight out. Trace the wire from the fender brake to the plug. This is your fender brake power cutoff. And unplug it. Simply pinch and separate. And that concludes step 1, disconnecting the fender brake. Now on to step 2, removing the brake. First, let's move the hub motor wire out of the way. Simply lift it straight up. This is so the fender brake doesn't catch on it when we slide it out. Now we can slide out the fender brake. Grab it and slide it straight out of the bottom. And that concludes step 2, removing the fender brake. Now on to step 3, installing your new brake. Slide in your new brake. Make sure there's no wires in the way and press it straight down. It's a tight fit, so you may have to use some force. And that concludes step 3, installing your new brake. Now on to step 4, reconnecting the fender brake. First, let's reconnect the fender brake power cutoff wire. Route the hub motor wire into the channel. Place all 3 wires into the controller tray. And secure them with the grommet. Simply press it in. Flip the scooter over and let's secure the fender brake. Using your Phillips screwdriver, screw in the 2 screws in the rear. There are nuts on the opposite side of these screws. We're securing them now while the tray is still open, so if they fall out, we can retrieve them. Once again, let's flip the scooter over and put the controller cover back on. Slide it in from the top and snap down the bottom. Now using your Phillips screwdriver, reinstall those 6 screws. With the screw secure, that concludes step 4, reconnecting the fender brake. Now hit that power switch and make sure it works. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. But if you're still having any other troubles or complications, please feel free to visit the customer support section on Razor.com. Now get out there and have some fun. Bye bye.